Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. The quantitative aptitude section or the QA section this year around seemed to be a little bit on a difficult side. That is the question that has been asked this year required an intense level of calculation, also as they were more calculation intensive, and also they required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve them. Okay. So that being said, the questions that we'll be dealing here are of two particular type, basically ratios and allegations and mixture. So we'll try and solve these questions one by one so that we can get a general idea on how to go about solving this kind of questions. Okay. So with all that said and done, so our core intention as far as going through these questions would be to understand the question and also know about the right kind of approach towards solving these questions. Okay. So having said all of that, let's focus on the question at hand. We'll start off with number 57 first. In a two blend of mixed tea, the ratio of Darjeeling and Assam tea are 4:7 and 2:5. Okay. The ratio in which these two blends should be mixed to get the ratio of Darjeeling and Assam tea in the new mixture 16:13 are okay. So we have two teas, okay, in which Darjeeling and Assam are mixed in the ratio 4:2 blends of mixed tea. Ratio of Darjeeling and Assam are 4:7 and 2:5. Okay, so let the type be A. This is A type tea, and this is B type tea. Okay, so these are the two types of tea. Here, if we talk about Darjeeling is 4 and Assam is 7. Okay, and in this case Darjeeling is 2. Okay, and Assam is 5. Okay, so in this case what else we have? The final mixture we have Darjeeling in the ratio 6 and Assam in the ratio 13. Okay, this one, there's two cases. Now if we are to represent each of this, Darjeeling will be in the ratio 4/11, that is 7 plus 4, and this will be 7/11. Okay, this will be 2/7, and this will be 5/7 Assam. In this case again we'll have Darjeeling as 6/19, and in this case 13/19. Okay, now there is two ways we can go about solving this question. Okay, first I'm going to be solving this keeping Darjeeling in our intention. Okay, so taking Darjeeling tea, taking D, we have from one side we have 4/11, and from another side, okay, let me give me a second. Say this is A type and this is B type. Okay, so on one side we have 4/11, on the other side we have 2/7, and at the end we have 6/19. Okay, so this one will be what do we have over here? 19, so 4/19 into 7. Simply we subtracted this 2, and again we subtract this 2, so we have in this case 10/11 into 19. Okay, so if we are to take this ratio, we will have what we need, a type A to type B. Okay, so if we further look at this, we can write this as 4/19/10/19 into 11. So 19 and 19 gets cancelled. 2, we have 5. So this will be 22 by 35, which is our final answer. Okay, option D. So I hope it is clear. The very same question could have been solved by taking the Assam T as well. Let me show you here. Okay, so taking Assam, that is A. We have A type, B type. So we have Assam in this case is 7 by 11. In this case is 5 by 7. And finally we have Assam 13 by 19. Okay. So in this case it will be simply 19 into 7. So it will be 13 by 5. So 8. And in this case we have again 19 into 11. So here it will be 13 minus, so this will be minus plus. So this will be 20. Okay. So now if we cancel these things out, let me solve this here. So we have 8 by 19 into 7 by 20 by 19 into 11. So 19 gets cancelled. 2, 5. So it is again 22 by 35. So either way we could have solved the same. Okay. Either we can take Darjeeling Tea's allegation or Assam Tea's allegation. Either way we can solve the same. So I hope this is clear to you. So with that said, let's move on to number 58. So you can solve it in either way. Okay. So we'll move on to number 58 now. ABC entered a partnership with shares in the ratio 7 by 2 is to 4 by 3 is to 6 by 5. Okay. After 4 months, A increases his share by 50%. Okay. If the total profit at the end of the year was 43,200, then B share of profit is okay. So it's given. We have A, we have B, and we have C. So their investment are in the ratio 7 by 2 into by 3, 6 by 5. Okay. Now let me multiply this entire thing by LCM of 2, 3 and 5. So this will be 30. Let me multiply this by 30. So 15. So this will be 105. Let me multiply 30. 30 and 30. Okay. So this will be 105 is to 10, 40 is to 6 is 36, 36. Okay. So their investment are in this ratio. Okay. So until 4 months the ratio actually remained to be thus. Okay. So after 4 months A increases his share by 50%. So total amount invested in a year for A, it will be 105 into 4 plus 50%, right? That is 105 into 3 by 2 into 8. Okay. So this will be A's total amount. For B it will be 40 into 12. And for C it will be 36 into 12 because they did not add any additional amount. This will be 4. Okay, so the value of A would come out to be 420 plus 1260 is to 480 is to 432. Okay. So this is the ratio. So if we further break this down, it comes out to be 1680 is to 480 is to 432. Or if I finally break it down, it will come to 210 is to 60 is to 454 54. Okay, and can we further break it? If we go by, yes, we can break this down further as well. Yes, we can go with this being 35 is to 10 is to 9. So basically the amount ratio, so amount invested is the ratio A is to B is to C. This will be in the ratio 35 is to 10 is to 9. Okay, now we are asked to find B share of profit. So B share will be 10 by 45 plus 9, so 44 or 54 into what is the amount? 43200. Okay, so if we further solve the same, this comes out to be 800. So therefore B share will be rupees 8,000. Okay, which is our answer, option D. So I hope it is clear how we solve both these questions. So in case you have any doubt with respect to the way we solve this question, feel free to go through the video multiple times just to get a general idea on how we came about with the solution of the same. Okay, so having said that, any doubt you have, go through the video, go through both the questions. So first question, actually there's two ways which I have shown to us solving the same. Try solving each question. The second one also, go ahead and see how we came about with the approach of the same, and then subsequently try and solve this question keeping the video as a reference. That will be a very good way to get the gist of the approach. Okay, now having said all of that, in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. So for that you can go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email IDs and our numbers for call, text or WhatsApp. So feel free to connect with us on any of the medium that is convenient to you. So get in touch with us in case of any doubt you have, doubt with respect to your competitive exam preparation for any examination, in case you are looking for any kind of guidance in that way. So feel free to connect with us. Also, if you have a doubt or any query with respect to any subject of your preparation or any kind of concept or topic wise doubt that you need a expertise on, or you need any particular explanation upon, feel free to get in touch with us on those as well, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.